What's up, guys? Welcome back to another trade recap. Today's trade, we end up making about 6,500 across 5 accounts. Evaluations, though, so I don't really always count that as profit made. But as you see, nice little trade right here. Let me clear it up and let's get into the trade recap. Right. So starting out on our 1 hour, because this is where everything got formed, really, right? So at open, the 1 hour ended up closing super bearish, disrespecting all of these bullish 1 hour gaps. Now, really, I wanted price to close below this low to give a little bit better confirmation that we're going to go lower. Like, that's like 100% we're going to go lower if we got that. But in this scenario, the 15-minute worked literally just as good. This huge displacement here ended up opening this 15-minute bearish fair value gap. Clean displacement, clear. And then also on the 4 hour, we had an unfilled gap down here. Whoops, not bearish, bullish. You want to work? There we go. Bullish for our gap. On top of that, we wants to load. We also had all of these lows, all of these previous day lows, below us. So that gave for really good targets. And I mean, this is simple continuation model. Really, there's a lot of people that ended up taking this 5 minute. There's a 2 minute inverse right here that didn't play out. Yeah, right here. This one. After that. But that didn't work out. I really just didn't like the structure on that. And on top of that, we are about to open the 15-minute fair value gap, and it was about to be 10 a.m. So a lot of times or 9 a.m., depending on your time frame, when that opens up, you often get manipulation or a complete reversal. So, and on top of that, I mean, you had just stacked highs here. It didn't really make sense, for this short. And you had this one low. But this is where we took our short, right? So tap into the 15-minute gap, resweep the high. The only inverse we had here was the 45-second, right? And this ended up inversing on the 1 minute, and we got our change in the state of delivery. Ended up placing our trade right here, stop loss right here, targeting this. Nice little trade, get tapped in. Yeah, right around here, same shit. And as you see, price plays out. Now, I didn't go break even on this. A lot of times I will go break even at this first low, right? But I've been getting a lot of break evens, and I'm trying to pay more attention to actual structure rather than just going break even so fast and letting the trade breathe and actually play out, right? So we have the change in the state of delivery off of this candle closure here, or you can even say this one right here, which confirms that we are going to continue lower. So switching from a bullish to a bearish lower time frame trend, right? You don't always just go straight down to low. In some scenarios, yes, you do, but you have pullbacks like this, and that's how trends move, right? So realistically, going break even here doesn't make much sense, right? So what I did was, instead of going fully break even, I just moved stop right around this fair value gap right here, right? Because if we're going to completely reverse, we'll break through this gap and we'll also break through a high, right? So I didn't go break even here. I just simply moved my stop up just a little bit to give it a little more breathing room rather than getting fully break even, and you're going to see why. And this candle closure essentially confirms that we're switching to bearish trend and we're going to continue lower. So let's play it out. And as you see, you get this pullback right here, right? So we're going from making higher highs and higher lows to lower lows, lower highs. See? You have to let price play out and really understand how it moves, right? because this would be a brutal ass break even, right? Unfortunately, but I didn't get break even on it. If it wants to let me grab it, can't grab it, but you get the point. And eventually, price plays out, get a little edge there, but full TP ends up getting hit, just like that. That was today's trade recap. Confluences, bearish 15-minute gap, bunch of targets below, unfilled 4-hour, previous day's lows. Huge clear displacement on the 15-minute, super simple continuation model. It is what it is. If you guys like this trade recap, like, comment, subscribe, all the above. If you have any questions, leave it down in the comments, DM me. Let me know on Discord. If you want to watch live trading too, join the Discord. Link should be in the bio or on my profile and also on Instagram. So if you guys enjoyed this, like, and I'll keep it up with them. See ya.